everyone, it's Christy here. I am here today with a quick little haul from Scrapbook Nerd. This is a Canadian-based scrapbooking store located, I believe, in Ontario. It's my first time ordering from Scrapbook Nerd, and I am pretty excited because not a lot of Canadian retailers carry companies like Crepe Paper and Cocoa Vanilla and those sorts of things. So I'm pretty excited to find this store. And also they have a cool feature. It's called Hold It. And if you place an order that is over $150, they will ship it for free. And so what I did was I have like 4 separate orders, I think, and you hold it until your total comes to $150, and then they ship it to you. So my orders took place in July and August, and I was excited to meet the threshold and get my order shipped to me. So it's quite a few things. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the packaging. The paper is in a plastic here, and a little postcard talking about sharing your thing, and you could win a gift certificate. So I'm excited about that. All right, so let's just start with the paper. I had my eye on the Sweet Story collection, but it just kind of seemed that scrapbook.com wasn't getting the pieces that I wanted, and so I stumbled across Scrapbook Nerd, and they had the pieces I wanted or needed from Sweet Story, which is Maggie Holmes. I see that Maggie Holmes has released, I believe, a second or like a newer collection already, which is kind of crazy because I feel like this one just came out. So standard kind of patterns from her other collections, swans. I love the yellows, hot air balloons. It's pretty similar to other collections that she's released, but I just really did like the colors. I always love Maggie Holmes, so I got this one. I'm not gonna do a full flip through because I'm sure you've seen it. And Crepe Paper has another collection out that I think has been recently released. It's called Fresh Bouquet, and again, I just like these pinks and greens and blues, and it has some gold foil as well. So this is 24 sheets, and yeah, I was ready to do a bit of a refresh of my stash. I always love creating with new products, and so this was kind of exciting for me. Some of the patterns are 6x8, so my apologies for not showing that. And I'm also gonna, oh, look at those bunnies. I love bunnies. Also gonna apologize for my hands. I've been staining my fence for the last 2 days, and I probably have another 2 days worth of work, but I got blisters and scratches and all kinds of stuff happening. They also were carrying these Color Vibe sticker books from Simple Stories. So I have a love for Simple Stories letter stickers, and this is a sticker book, and I saw it and I needed it. So it looks like there's 2 sizes of each color. There's numbers and lots of alphas. So that is what it includes, and it also has a tile alpha as well. So the large alpha, tile alpha, and then the smaller alpha, all in this sticker book, and it has 6 different colors in this one. This one is called Color Vibe Brights, and then I also got the Lights, Color Vibe Lights sticker book. So I like how it's kind of all contained, not loose. I have lots of Lots of sheets of these alphas, but this was new to me, so I grabbed those. Pretty happy with that. I got this Nuvo glue pen. I needed a new glue pen, so I just added that to my basket. Hopefully that is a good one. I'm not sure. More of the Sweet Story. This one is the sticker book, 437 stickers with 8 pages. Looks like a lot of clear backed and cardstock backed ones, but I like these rainbows. Lots of florals, an alpha. This is white with a black outline, some frames. I'm not sure I love this page. And then, wow, tiny word stickers. Love, love, love those. And then these are from the Fresh Bouquet collection. These are the foam and cardstock thickers. They're all florals. It's called Bouquet. And this is a kind of different, but I love florals, so I grabbed this. And then I got this, it's called Aster thickers, and they're puffy. They're kind of glossy black. This was from the Sweet Story collection, and it comes with some numbers, which I love. And I always love a black alpha, and I love puffy stickers too. This is from the Fresh Bouquet. This is the 6x12 sticker sheet, 69 stickers. Cute. I love these bunnies so much. Super, super cute. I wasn't originally going to get the Fresh Bouquet collection, but I did it. Anyways, I think maybe these are from Fresh Bouquet, and these are from Sweet Story. Pretty similar. I didn't realize that I had bought both of these, but that's okay, because it looks like they could potentially just kind of mix and match together, so I'm happy with that. These are puffy stickers. They're called Play, puffy phrase and accent stickers. We got a cute little horsey there. This dog kind of looks like my dog, so I'm excited about that. Love giraffes. Compare that with some zoo photos. Tiger too. Some more horses. Pretty butterfly. These are pretty large, but I'm not mad at it. Yeah, I like those a lot. Pinkfresh Studio Alpha. This one is from the Let Your Heart Decide collection, and I just really liked the puffy with the outline. It's something different. I'm not usually kind of a color mix and match kind of person, but I'm gonna try it out. And the price wasn't bad, honestly, for Canada and a Canadian retailer. So 166 stickers in there. And then another Pinkfresh Alpha. This is from the Noteworthy, 173 pieces. And again, we got that multicolored look, but I love these colors, so I know I will use them. It looks like one of each number, but there's 2 number ones and 2 zeros. So I like when alphas have numbers. Some more of the Sweet Story. This is the 6x12 sticker sheet, and I love the phrases and the rainbows, and I just like how crate paper collections you can kind of mix and match. It makes it really easy with the colors that they use, so I like that. And then I got the chipboard for the Sweet Story collection, another black dog I'm excited about. I do just really love these rainbows and these like film strip pieces. The chipboard pieces aren't too large, so I can use them in Project Life. This will fit nicely on a title card and just like on photos and making your own filler cards. So that's bubblegum machine's cute. Cotton candy, Adeline's obsessed, so I know that will get used. And this is from the Fresh Bouquet collection. Again, just loving these soft, muted colors. I know they're not for everyone, but I love them. So got a couple labels on there and frames and tags. This bird is beautiful. made for each other. That's really pretty. Really pretty. This would be very nice for a wedding album or a family album or just Project Life, which is probably what I'm going to use it for. And then in an attempt to get to the shipping threshold, I added some papers too. They don't carry a ton of 12 by 12 papers, but I just saw these two and liked them. So this is Pinkfresh Studio, Simple and Sweet. It's called Simplicity. I just like pops of yellow, so this was pretty to me. And then this is from Heidi Swapp. It's the Hey Tiger from Old School. And I just really liked this kind of lightning bolt pattern. And I just envisioned it on a title card. So I'm super pumped about that. Okay, sorry. I also looked back in the box and found more things. So I got the Memento Tuxedo Black because I do really just want to try stamping a bit more, and my StazOn was like getting a little dry, so I wanted to try this one. And then I also got the Sweet Story Butterflies, which are layered stickers. They have a bit of gold foil, gold glitter foiling on there. And then I got the Magical Forest Ephemeral, which I think I already have, but hopefully I can make use of this. A bit on the larger side, so I'm thinking maybe I'll make a fun little tag book or something with the pieces. And then I got the Fresh Bouquet ephemera pack, which has 10 acetate pieces and 30 cardstock pieces. Again, lots of florals in there, frames, tags, a bunny tag, hummingbird, and a couple little phrases, sorry. So I look forward to using those. And now that is my haul. So that is my haul. If you are interested, check out Scrapbook Nerd, especially if you're in Canada. It shipped really fast, so I think I placed my last order on Thursday maybe, and I received it today, Monday. So super speedy. And yeah, I'm gonna try and share this and win. I think that would be pretty cool. I think my favorite pieces would have to be these sticker books and the floral thickers and the black alphas. I like all of it, obviously, or else I wouldn't have bought it, but I'm excited. I have 2 layouts left for the first half of 2020, and then I'll share an album share, and I'll probably use these supplies. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you soon. Bye!